Hey, I am Shane Peak, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to introduce you to an AI research companion called Elicit, which I think has a lot of power, a lot of potential. So let's dig in. For starters, you'll need to sign up for an account from their webpage at elicit.com. If you've already created an account, you can simply click sign in, and I'm going to go with Google here so I can sign in a little more quickly, and it will remember previous searches or lessons that I've done. Now, once you're inside, it's a pretty simple interface, pretty simple platform. You've got a control panel on the left. You can scroll up and down and kind of see what's going on. They just released a notebook feature which will save your searches to a particular search. But I do want to point out that they have credits built in here. So every search you do uses a certain amount of credits. I'm using the basic plan. There's a plus plan for $10 per month. Now back on the home screen, I can have this panel locked or unlocked. And as you can see now, I'm gonna actually search for adult learning theory. That's something I'm interested in and learning more about. So I'm gonna search for adult learning theory, see what kind of research is out there. Now it's running this query. We're gonna see what it comes up with. It's summarized the top 4 papers. If I go plus, I can get more, but 4 for now. Now if I scroll down, I want you to check this out. You can sort by the most relevant or most recent, by the latest update, or by the most cited source or the least cited source, which I actually think is quite powerful, sorting by the most cited source in this scenario. You can actually also add a column. All kinds of queries you can do here. You can add a column in your table. So much stuff that you can do here. So I'm gonna simply add a column that includes a summary, and that will show up on this right hand side. I do have the ability to move these back and forth, and you'll see that there now. You can see that information populating there on that right hand side. Now I'm going to scroll down here too, just kind of check this data out. I love what I'm seeing. I love the research it's compiled. Now I do have the ability to add a next step and add a next step. So what that will do is I can tell it to add 4 papers or more actually, and I'm going to go with the most cited paper, the most recent paper, and the most relevant paper, and I'm going to do a next step with those. So the most cited, the most recent, and the most relevant. I'm going to do a next step with that selection. And a couple of options you have. You can chat with that paper, summarize the abstracts, create a new paper, ask new questions and find papers. You can extract that data. I'm going to simply summarize the abstracts from those papers in this example just to kind of show you what it does better. Do we think that chat with the paper is a pretty cool feature? And now as I do that, it will summarize, give me a brief summary of those papers, which I think is pretty cool. So one more time, this is Elicit. I think it's a really cool, powerful tool. I look forward to hearing how you'll use Elicit as an educator, or perhaps ways this tool will empower your students. Thanks for checking out this video.